In a significant development aimed at transforming Zimbabwe's correctional system, Pathways to Reintegration Foundation PAREF, led by Dr. Rutendo Precious Mudzamiri, unveiled plans to build community correctional centers. These centers will provide critical support for inmates facing reintegration challenges after their release. The announcement came during Family Week at Harare Central Prison, where Dr. Mudzamiri, alongside spiritual leader Madzibaba Dokwani, underscored the importance of offering a safe transition for those re-entering society.
And we came together after the Commissioner General reached out to us because of the way we were working as individuals or as organizations, coming to prison, working with inmates, working with officers. And then he said that I have a vision that goes beyond rehabilitation. I have a vision that stretches to reintegration. So he spoke with us, and we were very happy that the Commissioner General himself had this vision. And his vision is to make sure that the business community, the church community, all kinds of communities that we have in Zimbabwe join forces with the inmates and with the officers and with the NGO sector, and make sure that there is a chance for reintegration after rehabilitation. So what are we talking about then when we say reintegration? We're saying that now that the inmates have received parole, where do they go after parole? Do they go back to their homes? Do they even have homes to go to? Do they even have jobs? Obviously they would have lost their jobs, but our role as PAREF is to make sure that they are falling on something, because when they're in the correctional facilities that we have, especially here at Harare Central Prison, you will notice that they're learning mechanics, they're learning sewing, they're learning so many other beautiful skills that are needed in the community today. But then because they have no exposure, we are standing in the gap for them as PAREF and going and knocking on doors for the business community and saying that receive our brothers and sisters. They've already served their sentence, they've already learned what they need to learn, but we can't let them go back to prison because you don't want to receive them. So we are making sure that they are received by the business community. We're making sure that they are received by the church, which is why when the church is, no matter what church it is, today we're Joan Masovic, and if there's Anglican, if there's Methodist, whatever church out there, we are calling you to come and join hands with PAREF so that we can together work with the inmates while they're still in here, so that by the time they go back to the community, they are reformed, they have a new mindset, and they also can represent their families, themselves, and the community, and even this respectable institution so well after being rehabilitated.
Shoko raMwari rakatituma rakati tinofana kuuya kuzonamata nevasungwa mukati menzvimbo inoyi. Chiri chikonzero chekuti vasungwa vari mukati memusha unoyu, vamwe vari muno musungwa vachipikira dzimwe mhosva dzavasina kupara nekuda kwemweya wakaipa womumusha mavo, ndo vakavasunda kuti vauye pano. Kana baba Johani vakatonamata mumajeri, vachinamata vachisunungura vanhu, vachikumbirira vanhu kuti vave nerugare rwakanaka. Saka chinangwa chedu isusu chatakatumwa naMwari chekunamatira vamwe vanenge vachipikira zvimwe zvavanenge vasina kuita, vakatadza kutopa umboo pamberi pedare. Saka tinenge tauya kuzonamata tichivakumbirira kuti mhepo idzodzo dzakavasunda kuti vave vari pano dziende dzizorore. Vanhu ava kana vachinge vazobudawo muno musungwa, pavanoenda kunze vanonotambirwawo nehama dzavo. Takaonawo futi kuti kune vamwe vakapara mhosva vari muno, asi vanhu ivavo havasisina vanhu vachavada kunze, nekuda kuti vamwe vanhu vakaponda, vamwe vanhu vakabata chiparo, vakaita zvakasiyana-siyana. Saka takaona zvakakodzera kuisa rudo kuya kuzonamata navo, tichivakumbirira kuti mweya wakaipa uzorore. Kwavanoenda kumusha kwavo vanonotambirwa mune zvakanaka. Tobva tati imimi vari kunzewo futi zvekare, mune hama dzenyu dziri muno, kana vachinge vabuda vanhu ava vatambirei, nekuti vanhu vanenge vatobuda vakabuda vakuziva Mwari, vamwe vakapinda vasingazive Mwari. Ndo chinangwa chatiri kuuya kuzonamatira muno. Mwari acharamba achituma tichiuya tizonamata, zvinhu zvichifamba zvakanaka.